If you are aiming to start MTN Momo business, what are the things that you need as a beginner? First thing first, make sure you get a legit SIM card, and to get a SIM you need a legit business document and your Ghana card. To learn more about this, I have a full video there, go and watch. Next thing you need is the umbrella. All right, you can actually visit any shop that they sell umbrella and buy some. Next, you go to a carpenter, let him design something like this, a square form for you. You don't have to waste money on painting, just design anything, graphics. You can actually do this yourself or hire somebody to do this thing for you. Then just print these stickers and make sure you fill it at the various side of the box. Get your seat. Plastic chair is the simplest thing to get. Now just find the right location and start with any amount that you are having. You can start with even 1,000 Ghana cedis, 2,000 Ghana cedis, 5,000 Ghana cedis, and you will be making money monthly. It's super simple. If this video helps you, you need more of the agent SIM, I'm a trusted agent to get you the Momo SIM, both Vodafone and MTN. So pick my number from the description box and I will assist you. Until then, subscribe. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.